So a couple weeks ago we went to the beach, and while I was there I took my GoPro and we had a great time and out running it around on the beach, and this really friendly dog started chasing it around, and I had my rear facing camera on there. Apparently I hadn't hit the right button to make it record, but their dog was just loving it and just running back and forth and just having the best of times. And this nice couple here, they were just enjoying it, and they were just totally enthralled with the setup and how their dog reacted. And the lady kept telling her husband, "You need to get one of these and, you know, run the dog around with it more often." And I was showing her everything I had and kind of giving her the lowdown. And yeah, I talked to him for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and I forget their names, I forget their dog name, but it was just a great day. You know, as you can see, my son really enjoyed the dog, and you know, it was a fun family day, and got some good footage. Unfortunately, that one spot, the Hero 3 I was using, just I guess I didn't hit the right button. I don't know, but we'll show some more footage here of the Hero 9 and its amazing stability control when mounted onto an RC car running around on the beach. So we'll cut through some more little clips here, and we'll finish it off with a run up through the sand up through the beach grass, excuse me, with the Hero 9 mounted on the RC car. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks,